Hi, Hugo Reed. This week for our nonfiction book, we have Sharks and Dolphins, a compare and contrast book by Kevin Kurtz. Let's see. Those look like dolphins to me. What do you think? This is a shark. This is a dolphin. It says tiger shark, bottlenose dolphin. In some ways they're similar, in other ways they are different. They're kind of the same shape, aren't they? Their skin looks similar. Sharks and dolphins live in the ocean. Bull shark and spinner dolphin. See those pictures? They both have torpedo-shaped bodies to cut through the water. They have fins and flippers in similar places to help them swim quickly. Sharks and dolphins are not the same kinds of animals, though. Sharks are fish. This is lemon shark. So are these animals a seahorse? African pompano? I haven't heard of that kind of fish. Have you? A clownfish and an angelfish. So those are all fish as well. What's it going to say about what kind of creatures are dolphins? Can you read that? Dolphins are mammals. A Commerson's dolphin? Wow, look, it's like two colors. So are these animals. So they're also mammals. A lion, giraffe, bat, human. All mammals. So the last page was all fish. These are all mammals. Silky shark. Man, there's a lot of kinds of sharks, aren't there? Unlike other fish, sharks breathe underwater. They breathe with gills. You see on the side of them, the gills? Like other mammals, dolphins breathe air above water. They breathe with lungs and a blowhole. So sharks are fish. They can breathe underwater. Dolphins breathe through the air hole, the blowhole. They have lungs, like we do. We have lungs, don't we? There are over 400 kinds of sharks. Wow. Look at the great hammerhead. That's kind of an interesting angle, isn't it? Usually you see it from above. You can see all of its teeth in that picture. A sawfish shark. Look at it. It looks like it has a long saw on its snout. A mako shark, great white shark, thresher shark, and a spiny dogfish shark. They all live in the ocean. So that part of them is all the same, right? They share that quality. Pacific white-sided dolphin, bottlenose dolphin. There are 38 different kinds of dolphins that live in the ocean. Here is an Amazon river dolphin. There are also 5 kinds of dolphins that live in freshwater rivers. So if there's 38 that live in the ocean and 5 that live in rivers, we have 42 kinds of dolphins. And what did this say? Over 400 kinds of sharks. So lots more kinds of sharks than there are dolphins. 42 compared to over 400. The biggest sharks are whale sharks. They can be 60 feet long. Wow, that is a big shark. That's like if Mrs. Brown laid down almost 6 or 10 times. I'm pretty tall. I mean, that'd be a little bit more than me 10 times, but 10 of me think if I laid on the playground over and over 10 times, that's how big this shark is. That's long. The biggest dolphins are orcas. They can be 32 feet long, so they're about half as big as the biggest shark, aren't they? I bet you've seen some orcas before. Sharks and dolphins look similar because they're both predators. They both eat fish and other animals. Here's a black tip reef shark. You see its black tip there? And a spotted dolphin. You can kind of see its spots. Sharks and dolphins have sharp teeth to catch prey. So you can kind of see the shark's teeth, and you can sort of see this dolphin's teeth too. That's an unusual one. This one is the Indo-Pacific humpback dolphin and the sand tiger shark. Sharks have many rows of teeth. They're always growing new teeth. Dolphins have one row of teeth. They have the same teeth their entire lives. So you wouldn't necessarily find dolphin teeth the way sometimes you see shark teeth. And you can see they have lots of rows. It's not just one row like we have, or like dolphins have. Here's a white tip reef shark. A dark picture. You can kind of see its little white tip on its fin there, dorsal fin. Both sharks and dolphins are important. They keep other animals from becoming overpopulated. The ocean would not be healthy without them. And here's a bottlenose dolphin. So if they weren't eating some of the other fish, there would get to be too many fish in the ocean. And the ocean couldn't support it probably with food. And this is kind of an interesting thing in this book. It gives us, this is called a Venn diagram. When it's a circle, and they overlap in this part. So this circle tells what characteristics of fish are. They are cold-blooded, they live in water, they breathe with gills, they lay eggs or give birth to live young. So I don't think very many fish give birth to live young. Typically, we always think of fish as laying eggs, so that's an interesting fact. And here are mammals in this one. Mammals are warm-blooded, they have skin with hair, they breathe with lungs, and they give birth to live young. So mammals don't lay eggs. They have live babies, right? Lions, tigers, elephants, humans, dolphins are all mammals. But this part of this Venn diagram is the things that is true of both fish and mammals. They're both animals. They both have a backbone. They both need oxygen. And they both create new animals like itself. They reproduce. They have babies. So those are the things that are different and alike. And if you check out this book, it gives you some other things that you can also do. So, sharks and dolphins. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.